Yo, guys, the life is not a Nigerian movie. That's why you need to be selfish and put yourself. So, without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. No, the rest of the house is welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, it, so like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you guys. Amanda will lie. Do you still remember the first podcast Uno Zipper went to? There was a husband and a wife. Uno Zipper revealed ukuthi uZola he doesn't want more kids anymore, guys. It was her. She was the one who was forcing ukuthi babe nengane, especially the last born. Right now, the same guy. I saw this on Sanele Nkosi on Twitter, and this is what he has to say. Congratulations to Miss Sokuhle Ntshangase, who is now pregnant, expecting her first child with her husband Zola Ntshangase, who is excited for his baby number 80, guys. Umisokuhle and Zola Ntshangase officially got married in June 2025, with Zola going against his first wife. Objections. In reality, life is not a Nigerian movie. There is no come when someone breaks your heart, leave you for someone else in a marriage, in a relationship. You need to accept and stop expecting karma, guys. Ziyakhala lapha na ku Twitter. So people are saying ukuthi umbona kanjani ukuthi she's pregnant. So uSanele reply what, you can't take pictures of people when you bump into them in person. So uSanele so Umisokuhle, somewhere, I don't know where, she was pregnant, guys. She's expecting, and people are saying a lot of stuff. Some are saying it is alleged they are still married. UNoZipho and Zola Ntshangase, they've not yet divorced. Comes to being a stepmother of 8, I don't think it will affect her, guys. Remember, uZola Ntshangase uyamthanda le ntombazane. He's gonna make sure ukuthi ukele ushapu. He can even build a house for him. So nowadays, you can be a stepmother of 9 as long as you are not living with the kids, guys. The people, they will choose anything. Even right now, if you go out there and say who wants to be a second wife, Zola Ntshangase, ladies will jump for this opportunity. So nowadays, the problem is when you get affected, when you have to take care of the kids, like NoZipho, guys. You need to live together. But if you get your own house, live your best life. These kids are now grown up. Zingane zaka NoZipho Ntshangase, they stay with her, so she won't get affected, guys. Being a stepmother of 8, 15, as long as those kids, they don't come to your house and bother you. So it is what it is. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.